Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you an exercise for core strength. This is Paula's version of the bridge. You'll need your resistance band and you're going to need to lie on your backs. Okay, so here we go. Sliding down, knees are bent, typical bridge position. So let's just review the bridge. The hands are flat down beside you, nice and relaxed through the shoulders, and knees very slightly apart. And the regular bridge exercise involves coming right up, and think posture. We want to be aligned, not too low and not extending our backs. So just the regular bridging exercise. So again, regular form. Just gently drawing the abdominals in and back down. Now this is where the resistance band comes in. You're going to take your resistance band, put it across the bony prominences of the pelvis, so locate those, right across, and you'll find the resistance that's right for you. Some like it really tight, but that's really hard, so I'm going to loosen it a little bit. Grab the palms and bring them right down to the floor, and you're going to hold your resistance band there. And let's try the resisted bridge version. Here we go. And one, and down, and two, and it's hard, don't forget to breathe, and three, and back down. And carry on with that one. I would recommend 3 sets of 5 if you're a beginner. If you've been doing a lot of core exercises, you could go right up to 3 sets of 10. Ow. Enjoy that one, and I'll see you again really soon. Bye.